Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing Blender so it can behave like Maya. Open Preferences and back up your current settings because you'll be swapping key maps and workspaces. Once done, enable the industry-compatible key map to get familiar hotkeys and mouse behavior. Next, activate Layout tabs and show toolbars so panels mirror Maya's workflow. This early setup reduces friction. It gives you the keyboard shortcuts and visible UI regions you'll tune in the next steps. Now you customize the middle of the conversion, hotkeys and panel arrangement. You remap selection and transform keys to match Maya conventions and make sure mouse pans and rotates respond as expected. Then dock outliner, properties, and the viewport into left/right stack so tool access mirrors Maya's layout. Once done, edit the top menus and toolbars to prioritize modeling and rigging tools, and save a new startup file so these changes load every time you open Blender. Finish by validating and troubleshooting your new interface. You should run through typical tasks, modeling, rigging, and animation, to confirm hotkeys and panel placements behave like Maya. Once satisfied, export your key map and workspace so you can restore settings quickly. Keep a backup copy. If something acts oddly, make sure to reset that single preference or reload the industry-compatible key map instead of full reset. If persistent, reinstall the key map or reapply your save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.